Welcome back to MV Classes. Write a Python program that asks the user to input 5 numbers, stores them in a list, and then outputs the list and calculates the output of the sum of the numbers in the list. So first of all, we know that there's going to be a repeated question because we keep asking the user to input a number. So for that, we're going to use a for loop. So this is how we write it for I in the range of 5. Okay, and then we're going to take our input. So just think of a variable name. Remember, it should be an appropriate variable name. So for this example, I'll use number equals input. Now, as we're going through this program, see if you can spot some of the errors that are going to come up. Okay, so let me try and run it. Okay, you can see it gives me an error. Not sure if you spotted the first error, but I didn't put the speech mark at the end of the statement. So enter a number, both speech marks, and then we can enter our 5 numbers. Okay, so now that we've got the for loop, we have to think about creating our list. So same appropriate name, so I'll call it num, square brackets to initialize the list, and then we're going to append or add to the list using this statement. So num.append number. What that means is each number you enter will be added to the list. And then I'm going to print num or print the list. Look at where the print is. You can see it's not indented because I don't want the list to just keep printing. I only want it to print at the end, and that's why it's out of the for loop. So now we're going to add all the numbers. So I'm going to create a variable called total for the sum. And then I'm going to do total equals total, which is currently 0, plus each number. There's an error coming up, so you can pause the video and see if you can spot it. Okay, when we run it, enter, you see we've got an error. The reason we have an error is because we've said total plus number. Number is currently a string on line 4. So we must make sure that num is an integer. And once we've done that, we can now enter our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, prints out the list and the sum.